Yes guys, chicken, veggie lasagna. We have that to it now guys, let me taste it. Right? Just share to this video guys. Welcome guys, welcome to Brother My Cooking guys, and hope you guys having a great time, keeping safe. You don't know, well today guys for you I'm gonna make a nice veggie chicken lasagna. Very simple and easy recipe guys, and I say I want to share you and all you guys. And right here, these are all my ingredients I'm using. So right here I got a pack of lasagna, I got some mozzarella cheese, I got ricotta cheese, I got spinach, I got some nice chicken breasts, I got mushrooms, I got garlic, scallion, some lovely sweet peppers guys, different colors, and I got zucchini and squash, and a nice onion right here. I was going to use some tomato sauce inside also, every whipped cream, my mixed seasoning, I will leave these in the description below guys, and salt. And these are all you need to make a lovely lasagna recipe guys. So I'm gonna all of these ingredients together guys, make them nice, and I will show you when it's done. But first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna boil up these chicken breasts. You got two ways you can do with the chicken breasts guys. You can also cut them small and saute them inside the pot, but I don't want to do that way guys. So I'm gonna boil these chicken breasts. So this is how I'm gonna do it. As you can see right here guys, I got the pot with some hot water. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the chicken breast inside, just like this. As I said guys, you can do it two different ways, but this is the way how I'm going to do I'm going to start on my chicken lasagna. And then I'm going to add some salt inside. Then guys, you close it. Okay guys, the chicken already boiled. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to pick up the chicken guys. As I said before, you can boil it or you can just cut it and saute. But when making a chicken lasagna, it's very nice to eat the chicken this way. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to mix the cottage cheese, like that, in the bowl, and some parmesan cheese, egg, one egg, like that, and that nice mix. Just simple like that guys, very simple and easy. In Bradley's Kitchen guys, good food always coming your way. So I'll put this aside and go to the next step. Yes guys, as you can see guys, all my stuff already prepped. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to start off with the cooking process guys. Very simple and easy. As you can see right here, but right here, add some oil inside. I'm going to saute down the vegetables. It's going to make it hot for a little while. What I'm going to do now guys, I'm going to add the veggies step by step. First I will add my garlic. I'm going to turn the fire down a little bit low because you don't want the garlic to burn. and the onions. As I said, guys, a very simple and easy chicken lasagna recipe, guys. You can see, guys, soon as they kind of get softened, then you know you can add other stuff inside. And what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to add my zucchini and squash. And these are going to have to saute them for a little while because I want them to get soft. I don't want them to get too hard. And at the same time, guys, I'm going to slightly season. And a little salt. So that, guys. In Brody's kitchen, guys, good food always coming your way. It's nicely sauteed, guys. As I said, guys, if you want your veggies to be crunchy, you can just cook them al dente. But I want them to get a little bit soft, guys. I want them to like moist and stuff like that, guys. That's the reason I'm starting with this long. I have the spinach inside. The spinach, you don't want to cut them up, guys, because as I said, they're going to shrink. So it's going to add like a handful like this inside. Start to give that stir, give it dissolve or shrink. As you can see now, guys, the veg nice to cook down. So this is how I'm going to make it stay, guys. I don't want to do too much because, as I said, it's going to go in the oven. So now we're going to start off with the next step. And yes, guys, what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to make a little bit of basmati sauce or Alfredo. I'm using heavy cream. And yes, guys, for this, it's going to be simple and easy. I'm just going to add this inside: garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, and black pepper, guys. And a little salt. The salt. And some sweet peppers. Okay, why look nice, guys? You know, when you look in your making a lasagna, I want it presentable. And soon as you reduce down a little bit, not too much. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to add a little butter inside. Not too much. That much. And continue to give it like a stir. So when I see it get slightly thickening, guys, you can remove it from the fire. Guys, it's done now, guys. So let's turn the fire off. We'll do the next step. Okay, guys, welcome to the fun part. I'm going to start to lay my lasagna now. So I already did boil the lasagna sheet. What I leave them in some cold water so they did not stick. You can use oil also if you want, but I leave them in some cold water, guys. So that way they do continue to cook. Or you can also push them in the fridge. So they're here right now, guys. So I'm just going to jump and start my lasagna. So first the lasagna pan right here. Then the tomato sauce, guys. I don't worry to make the tomato sauce because as I said, like, it's one inside the bottle or the seasoning, and it's a good tomato sauce. Very good. Very, very tomato sauce, guys. Very, very good. So you kind of shake it up like this, and then you can start throwing in the pan. I'm going to put a tomato paste. Sorry, not the tomato paste. I'm going to put the tomato sauce inside the pan first, and then I'm going to put the lasagna sheet on top, and that way they won't stick. I'm going to put too much. Just going to spread it out like this, guys. The pan. Side. And I will start laying my lasagna sheet. Just like that. I'm gonna do maybe 2 to 3 layers, guys. You get out towards the pan. Then what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put regular cheese like this. Put this each end. Get that all over, guys. Just like that. Then what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken. This. Can I spread it out? Right, guys. You press it down like here, it'll come back. It come back. Spread over it like this. So that, guys. Yes, guys. Next step, and what I do now, spinach, vegetable, guys. Look at it, nicely green. Wow, guys, look at it. This is called amazing chicken lasagna, guys. Chicken vegetable lasagna. Try to get it all over, guys. All the corners, guys. Just try to get it over. All over the corner. Next layer, guys. Lasagna again. Just like that. As I said, guys, I use this lid to cover it. You can use a foil paper if you like. So now, guys, I'm going to pop this right inside the oven, guys. So, guys, the chicken lasagna is in the oven, guys. So all you need to do, at least 30 to 40 minutes. I keep watching it, guys. So as soon as you see that cheese melt, remove the lid and you let it get a nice golden color. Take it out, sit it down, make it rest. That cheese settle inside of it. Then you can cut into it. But you will see how I do it. Sit back, relax. You will see me back when it's done. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I want to check it if the cheese is melt. See, guys, cheese is melt. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, just put it back in the oven, nicely melt. And get a nice color, guys. Put it back inside. And you see it, me again when it's done. And yes, guys, time to take out that lasagna out the oven, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it because I really put my heart into it, guys. It's a really nice recipe, guys. I want you guys to try. So, lasagna out the oven, guys. Wow. Yes, guys, and there you have it, guys. That nice, amazing lasagna, chicken lasagna, guys. Very nice and simple, guys. Look at it. I didn't make the cheese burn. I just want it to melt. Have that nice cool, slightly brown on it, and give it a nice. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna let it cool. I'm gonna cut right into it, guys. Look at it. Nice, amazing. Yes, guys. Yes. Lasagna finished cool, guys. Lasagna finished cool. Lasagna, chicken, vegetable lasagna finished cool. So, guys, we are cut right in it now, guys. We're gonna see how it stay. So, let me start cooking my lasagna now. Yes guys, look at it guys. Cool and nice. So on edge pepper. Yes guys, chicken, veggie lasagna. We'll dive into it now guys. We taste it. Right? Wanna try this and tell me?
Where you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away. Heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck in